Let's move on to today's IEP goals. Goal number 3, mathematics. By the end of 36 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, model prompts, and word problems, dash visuals, triangles, parallelograms, square, rectangles, and trapezoids, Matthew will find the perimeter and area at a rate of 70% accuracy as measured by work samples. Objectives. By the end of 9 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, model prompts, and word problems, dash visuals, triangles, parallelograms, square, rectangles, and trapezoids, Matthew will find the perimeter by using the appropriate formulas at a rate of 70% accuracy as measured by work samples. Now, please flip to page number 8 on your packet. We will find the area by tiling. Find the area in units by tiling the rectangles shown. The first is tiled for you. You will tile from 2 to number 10 and you will write the answers on the right side of the paper. When completed, you will work on area sheet number 3. Work out the area of the following rectangles. They are not to scale. You will work on number 1 through 6. Upon completion, parents, please fill out this form. You will only fill out this area right here. The bottom left, did student use right formula, yes or no? Also, on the prompts, you will check how much you helped him, either minimum, moderate, or maximum. Also, please check the type of help you gave him, whether it was verbal, visual, modeling, repetition, gestural, corrective feedback, and how many if you give him reminders to stay on task. I will score it and I will write down the comments next. Let's move on to goal number 4. Goal number 4, mathematics accepted by committee academic. By the end of 36 instructional weeks, given verbal, visual, model prompts, and guided practice, Matthew will define points, lines, line segments, rays, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, perpendicular lines, and parallel lines as measured by work samples at a rate of 70% accuracy. Upon completion, parents, please fill out on the left side, test post-teaching identified defined. Please mark off whether he was able to identify the points, lines, line segments, or rays. Also, please mark how much help you gave him, whether it was minimum, moderate, or maximum. We will score the rest. We will work on this assignment. Points, lines, line segments, and rays. Worksheet number 3. Draw the followings. On the boxes, please draw the followings. Point on number 1, point A. Number 2, line segment AC. Number 3, line BC. Number 4, line segment BC. Number 5, ray XY. Number 6, line OT. Number 7, line FG. Number 8, point E. Number 9, ray BC. Please refer to the past IEP goals so you can get an idea of what to do. Upon completion, please send it to my WhatsApp or messages. We need to grade this before the end of the week. Thank you.